Y'all, we are back at LST Day 2, and the lineup of all these trucks out here is absolutely insane. You got Adrenaline Off-Roads, big golden diesel over there. You got Diesels of Dallas. The whole lineup of trucks is absolutely insane. Y'all, this is the first time being able to check this truck out in person. The wrap on it is absolutely killer. Adrenaline Off-Road killed this build on this truck. And he puts this truck through hell. He definitely puts it to the test. The wraps out here, awesome. They're all holding up. Then you have this high plate wrap here, absolutely shining in the sun. right, y'all. So I didn't really get to do an outro video at LST while I'm having to leave early for work. But so we missed day 3, which sucks, but it is what it is. Bills got to come first, you know what I'm saying? But we got the excursion here at the shop, so we're about to get it tore down this week, start getting it prepped for OBI. We're hoping to have it sitting in some kind of booth there at the show. So y'all stay forward to that. About to do everything on this, Illusion Cherry and Chrome, so it should be pretty baller. We got the rendering back. We're going to be doing the 11 to 16 front clip on it. It's just a matter of when and when we get the money. But for now, we're going to rock the 7.3 front end, may go to a 6.0 front end. We'll just kind of see how it plays out. But y'all stay tuned for that. Some videos will be coming shortly on it. Y'all have a good one.